At least 15 Palestinians were killed on Sunday night in Israeli airstrikes on 3 residential buildings in the southern Gaza Strip city of Rafah. As per reports, in the past 24 hours, the Israeli army killed 66 Palestinians and wounded 138 others, bringing the total death toll to 34,454 and injuries to 77,575 since the Israeli-Palestinian conflict broke out on 7 October 2023. Meanwhile, a Hamas official has said that the group will not accept any agreement with Israel if war continues in Gaza. The Iranian Foreign Ministry on Monday rejected speculation about nuclear cooperation with Pyongyang following the arrival of a North Korean business delegation in Tehran. There was speculation in South Korea that military cooperation between North Korea and Iran could be discussed during the visit. Iran's controversial nuclear program has been the subject of renewed interest in recent months following the outbreak of the war in Gaza. Spokesperson of Iranian Foreign Ministry, Kanani, last week had denied that Tehran is striving to build nuclear weapons. The Jaipur International Airport on Monday received a threat on its official email ID, warning that bombs will be planted at the airport as well as on 3 airlines. The mail was sent by Terror ISIS 111 group, which said, "Do not take this warning lightly." In the wake of the threat, airport security personnel, police, bomb disposal and dog squads conducted a search operation but found nothing suspicious. A 45-year-old man died on Sunday while climbing Velliyangiri Hills in Coimbatore to offer prayers at the Lord Shiva temple located atop the hill. This is the 9th reported death of this season during the trek on the Velliyangiri Hills. Coimbatore forest officials have advised people with medical conditions like heart ailments, diabetes, breathlessness, and obesity, as well as aged people, to not climb Velliyangiri Hills. And temperature continues to soar in Odisha. 32 places recorded temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, with Baripada being the hottest at 44.8 degrees. Meanwhile, sunstroke death toll has risen to 2 in Odisha, highlighting the dangerous impact of the extreme temperatures. The weather forecast predicts no significant change in the maximum temperature, which means heat wave will persist. As a result, the red warning for heat wave conditions continues.